those are given compared. So in the previous video we have come across with the definition of the determinant and how to find the determinant of the order 2 as well as the order 3, and how can we expand the order 3 with corresponding to the rows and corresponding to the columns. So in this video I am going to solve some more problems which are related on the order 2 as well as the order 3 to find the determinant of the given problems. Okay. So here is the first problem for today's video. So that's going to be if A is equal to, so they have given the matrix of order 2, so that's going to be 1 2 3 4 3 4, then find so determinant of 2A, find determinant of 2A. So this is the given problem here. So this is going to be the question which is asked for 1 mark in 2014 as well as 2016. So observe here. So if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then find determinant of 2A. So observe the question. They have given determinant of 2A. So first we need to solve. First we need to observe, or first we need to find the 2A. Means we need to multiply the 2. We need to multiply the 2 for the matrix A. See, that's going to be, because the solution is going to be. So observe the equation here. So we need to find 2A because. So we need to find the determinant of 2A. So first we need to find the 2A. So 2A is going to be, so 2 into, so the matrix, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when the 2 is going to multiply for a 2 cross 2 matrix, so for this one, the scalar is going to multiply for every element which is going to be present in the given matrix. Means the 2 is going to multiply for every element in a given matrix. So 2 is going to multiply for 1, so it is going to be 2 into 1, 2. So 2 into 2, that's going to be the 4. So 2 into 3, that's going to be 6. So 2 into 4, that's going to be 8. So we have obtained the required matrix 2A. So the required matrix 2A is equal to 4, 6, 8. So we need to find the determinant for the given 2A. Okay. So in 2A we have a determinant of 5. So that's going to be, so determinant of 2A is equal to, so observe here. So they have given the matrix of order 2, that's going to be 2 into 8, that's going to be 16, minus 4 into 6, that's going to be 24, minus 24. So what is the value of 16 minus 24? So that's going to be minus 8. So the required determinant of 2A is going to be minus 8. Okay. So this asks for only 1 marks question. So first main ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಜರ್ ನೀವು ಕೇಳೋದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. ಅಥವಾ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಟೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಟೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. So these are the problems, these are the type of problems which may ask for 1 marks questions. Okay. So here we need to find the determinant of 2A. First we need to multiply 2 into A because a scalar is going to multiply for a matrix. Then the scalar is going to multiply for every element which is present in a given matrix. So that's going to be 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, that's going to be 2 into 3, that's going to be 6, 2 4 is 8. So 2A is equal to the given matrix 2, 4, 6, 8. Then we need to find the determinant for obtaining 2A. So determinant of 2A is equal to 2 into 8, that's going to be 16, minus 6 into 4, that's going to be 24. Then 16 minus 24, that's going to be minus 8. This is going to be the required determinant of 2 is equal to minus 8. Okay. So just pause the video to note it down. So the next one is, so just we need to note this one. Okay. So the next question is if A is equal to 1 to 4. So this is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. So then we need to show that determinant of 2A is equal to 4 into determinant of. So this is the given problem here. So they have given A is equal to the matrix of order 2 cross 2, that's going to be 1 2 4 2, that's going to be of order 2. So then we need to show that determinant of 2A is equal to 4 into determinant of A. So ಇದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. We need to understand this one here. So determinant of 2A is nothing but when we are going to multiply scalar to the matrix A, then we need to find that scalar oriented matrix and we can find a determinant for that matrix. Here in 4 into determinant of A is nothing but first we need to find the determinant value of the given matrix, then we are going to multiply 4 into the given obtained value of the determinant. So here first we need to multiply 2 to the matrix. ಏನು matrix ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು 2 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ RHS ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ we need to find the determinant value. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು 4 ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಇಷ್ಟೇ. Determinant of 2a ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so first we need to multiply the 2 to the given matrix, then we need to find the determinant value. Then 4 into determinant of a is nothing but first we need to find the determinant of a, then we need to multiply the given scalar to the given matrix. Okay, so here is the solution. So determinant of 2a is nothing but first we need to find the 2a, so that's going to be 2 into, so 1 2 4 2, so that is going to be 2 4 8 4, so that's going to be 2a. So and then determinant of 2a is nothing but, so that's going to be 8 minus 8 4s are 32, so that's going to be minus 20, so what's going to be, so minus 24. So determinant of 2a is nothing but minus 24. Then we need to find the 4 into determinant of a. To find r, we can say that is going to be the equation number 1. So we need to find the 4 into determinant of a. So first we need to find the determinant of a is equal to, determinant of a is equal to r. The given a is nothing but, so 1 2 4 2. So then the determinant of a is nothing but 2 minus 8. That's going to be minus 6. Okay. Minus 6, so that's going to be the determinant of a. Then 4 into determinant of a is nothing but 4 into minus 6, so that's going to be minus 24. So 4 into determinant of a is nothing but minus 24. That's going to be the equation number. From 1 and 2 we can say that from 1 and 2 determinant of 2a is equal to 4 into determinant of a. 4 into determinant of a. Okay, so this possibility ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ಹೇಳೋದು. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ we need to multiply the scalar to the given matrix. So then we need to find the first we need to find the determinant here, then we need to multiply the given scalar to the obtained determinant value. So ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, so this possibility ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು. Okay, the next one is, so if A is equal to, they have given the 3 cross 3 matrix here. So 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4 0 0 4. So then we need to show that determinant of 3a is equal to 27 into determinant of 24 into determinant of. Okay, so this is a question which is asked in the 2015 examination. So here, so which is related to the previous problem. Okay, so they have given the determinant of 3a. First we need to multiply 3 into the given matrix. Here 27 into determinant of a, that's going to be first we need to find the determinant of a, then we need to multiply the 27 into the obtained value here. So first we need to find the 3 into a, that's going to be 3 into determinant, 3 into the given matrix. So that's 3 is going to multiply for every element in the given matrix. So then we need to find the obtained matrix for, or we need to find the determinant for the obtained matrix of 3a. Okay, so here the solution is, so first I am going to multiply 3 into a. So ಏನು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ 3 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So that's going to be, so 3 into 1, so or we can say that here 3 into, so 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4. So this kind of order 3 class matrix is going to be 3 into 1 3 3 into 0 0 3 into 1 3 3 into 0 0 3 into 1 3 3 2 is 6 0 0 12 4 3 is 12. So here 3a is equal to this one. So we need to find the determinant of 3a is nothing but. Observe here. So we need to find the determinant for this 3 cross 3 matrix. So in which way we need to solve? In first row, in which way we need to expand here? In the first row or third, second row or third row, or first column, second column, third column. So ನೀವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, the answer is going to be the same here. So okay, so ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಜೀರೋಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಜೀರೋಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 0 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಯಾವ ರೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ದ ರೋ ಆರ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಕಾಲಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಜೀರೋಸ್. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಜೀರೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಜೀರೋ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಜೀರೋ ಇದೆ. when you consider the third row it's going to be the two zeros, but 2 0 ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 12 ಇದೆ, so which is maximum for 3. so ನಾವು ಏನಾಗಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ 1 ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so ನಮಗೆ 3 ಇದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, so we are expanding through the column 1 ಅಥವಾ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, so expanding through, so column 1 or column C1. okay, so then it's going to be, so 3 into, so we need to neglect the corresponding row or corresponding column, that's going to be 3 into 3 6 0 12. so next one is 0 minus 0 or plus 0 here, so it's going to be the minus 0 and it's going to be the plus 0. we need to understand the signs here, so sign ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, so that's going to be the minus 1 to the power of I plus j. ಓಕೆ, I plus j ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ರೋ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, then I is equal to 1 as well as j is equal to 1. so 1 plus 1 is going to be 2, minus 1 to the power of any even number is going to be the positive 1 or plus 1. so when the I plus j is equal to some odd numbers, then the minus 1 to the power of that odd numbers is going to be the minus 1. so ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ minus ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ again ನಮಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, 3 plus 1 is going to be 4, so 4 is minus 1 to the power of 4 is going to be the plus 1. so here, so we can say that 0 as well as the 0 because the calculation here in a simple way, because I have chosen the column 1 which is contain the maximum number of zeros. Okay, so here it is going to be 3 into, so what is the value of 3 into 6? so that's going to be, well 3 is a 36, so 36, so minus, so 6 into 0 that's going to be 0. so what is the value of 3 into 36? that's going to be, so 18, what can say 36 into 3, so 18, so 9 108, so that's going to be the 108. so determinant of 3a is nothing but 108. so that's going to be the equation number 1. so we need to find that 2a into 27 into determinant of a. so first we need to expand the determinant of a, so that's going to be the 1 0 1, so 0 1 2 0 0 4. so determinant of a is going to be, so 1 into, so I am expanding through the column 1 again, so 1 into 4 into 4 minus 0, so that's going to be the 4. so determinant of a is going to be 4, then 27 into determinant of a is going to be 27 into 4, so 27 into 4 is nothing but, so 7 4s are 28, so 2 again 10 108. so determinant of 27 into determinant of a is going to be the 108, or we can say that that's going to be the equation number 2. so ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವ ರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ zeros ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಥವಾ ಆ ರೋ ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. we need to choose where the maximum number of zeros will be present in a given matrix or in a given row or in a given column. okay, so we need to choose only those things. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, the answer is going to be in a simple way, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ವೇ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. So that's going to the equation number 2. So when we consider the equation number 1 as well as the equation number 2, so determinant of 3a is equal to 27 into determinant of a. Or we can say that, so from 1 and 2, so determinant of 3a is equal to 27 into determinant. 27 into determinant of a. Okay, so just pause the video to now. Okay, so the next one is evaluate the determinants. Evaluate the determinants means we need to evaluate the some following determinants. So here is the first question. Evaluate the determinants. So here is the first one. So the given 1, 2, 4, minus 1, 3, 0, 4, 1, 0, 4, 1, 0. So we need to solve this one. So they have given the matrix of order 3 cross 3. So the given matrix A, we can say that A or they are given in the matrix form, determinant form only. So we can expand directly through the given matrix. Okay. So here the elements is going to be 1, 2, 4, minus 1, 3, 0, 4, 1, 0. So now you 6 ways in expand ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. 6 ways ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ 1 ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಲಮ್ 2 ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಲಮ್ 3 ಅಥವಾ ರೋ 1 ರೋ 2 ರೋ 3 3 ways ಅಂತ ದರ್ಶನ 6 ways ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. ಆ 6 ways ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ zeros ಇದೆ. ಈ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ 1 ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ 1 2 4 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1 2 4 ವಿತ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ there will be no zeros. when you choose the row 2, so minus 1 3 0 ಇದೆ. so again ನಮಗೆ 1 0 ಬರ್ತದೆ. again ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 1 0 ಇದೆ. again 1 0. but when you compare with the columns, so here the first column second column does not contain any zeros. when you compare to the third column, so third column containing 2 zeros means only one element will present here. so we can expand through the column 3. okay, so ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೈನ್ ಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸೈನ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಬರೆತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. so that's going to the plus minus plus, so minus plus minus, so plus minus plus. so ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ 1 1 1 2 1 3. so 2 1 2 2 2 3 3 1 3 2 3 3 ಏನಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ so first row first column, first row second column, first row third column. so second row first column, second row second column, second row third column, third row first column, third row second column, third row third column. okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ I plus j minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ that's going to be 6. so minus 1 to the power of any number is going to be the plus. so plus ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. so ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇದು minus ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ 2 plus 3 5 minus 1 to the power of any odd number is going to be the minus 1. so ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. so ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕಾಲಮ್ 3 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ so here is the solution. so expanding through which one? the column 3 or C3. so we can say that column 1, column 2, column 3 by C1 C2 C3 and row 1 row 2 row 3 can be replaced for the row R1 R2 as well as R3. so here I am going to expand through column 3 means C3. so here is the solution. so we can say that the given matrix R, we can say the determinant of A is equal to 4 into. so we need to neglect the corresponding row as well as the corresponding column. so that's going to be we need to neglect the first row as well as the third column. so we are getting minus 1 3 4 1. so next one minus 0 into anything, again 0 into anything 0. just you need to expand this one here. so here is going to be, so 4 remain as it is. so minus 1 into 1, that's going to be the minus 1. again minus 4 into 3, that's going to be the 12. so it's going to be the minus 12. so minus 12. so we can say that 4 into, so what is the value of minus 1 into minus 12? that's going to be the minus 13. so minus 13. so what is the value of minus 13 into 4? so it is going to be the minus 52. so minus 52. So it's going to be the required value of the determinant of A is nothing but minus 52. Suppose the experiment ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ರೋಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅದೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ರೋಲ್ 1 ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಅಥವಾ ಆರ್ ರೋ 1 ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. when we are going to expand things by row 1, expanding row the row 1 r1, so it's going to be, so determinant of A is equal to, so 1 into, so what is the corresponding 3010 means we need to neglect the corresponding row as well as the corresponding 1. So 1 into 3010, so 3010, okay. So minus 2 into, so minus 2 into corresponding row and corresponding column, so minus 1040, minus 1040. So third one plus 4 into, so plus 4 into 1, sorry, minus 1341, minus 1341. So it's going to be, so 1 into 3 into 0 1 into 0 1 into 0 again going to be 0. So minus 2 into, so 0 because minus 1 into 0 that's going to be 0. Again 4 into 0 again it's going to be 0. So remaining thing is going to be the 4 into, so minus 1, so minus 1 minus 2. So it's going to be the 0 minus 0 plus 4 into minus 30. So it's going to be the minus 52. This is similar to the previous one. Okay. So ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ರೋಲ್ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, the determinant value is going to be the same here. Okay. So just pause the video to start it. Okay. Second one. 3 minus 4 5, so 1 minus 2 1 minus 2, so 2 3 1 2 3 1. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So according to the column 1 column 2 column 3 ಅಥವಾ row 1 row 2 row 3 there will be no zeros present here, so you can expand through any one of these. Then calculation ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸಿ ಅಂತದೋ corresponding row ಅಥವಾ corresponding column ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. So maximum number of times you are going to solve through row 1 itself. Okay. So here's the solution. So I'm giving the determinant B. So determinant B. So expanding through what? Expanding through row 1 means I'm going to expand through row 1. Maximum number of times. So ನಮಗೆ 0 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ರೋ 1 ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದೊಂದು ಸಿಮಿಲರಿಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಫೆಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ರೋ 1 ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಸೊ then the determinant of B is equal to, so here 3, so we need to neglect the corresponding row as corresponding column, again corresponding row, so that is going to be 1 minus 2 D1. So beginning ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ನಾನು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So suppose when you are familiar with some more problems which is related on this one expanding through the given column or given rows, so now directly solve ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ. So 3 into 1 into 1 that's going to be 1 minus plus that's going to be 6, 1 plus 6 that's going to be 7. So 3 into 7 that's going to be 21. Then the value ನಾವು directly 21 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. So ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ so just I am writing for the idea ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So here minus 4, again minus 4 into minus, so minus sign already ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ minus ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 that's going to be the 3, minus 1 to the power of 3 that's going to be the minus 1. So we are writing just minus here. So minus 4 into, what is the corresponding row? So we need to neglect the corresponding column as well as corresponding row. That's going to be the 1 minus 2 2 1, 1 minus 2 2 1. So then plus 5. So plus 5 means, so 1 1 2 3. Okay, 1 1 2 3. So then, so here, so that's going to be the 3. So what is the value of this one? So 1 into 1 that's going to be the 1, minus sign. So again the minus sign is going to be plus sign. So 2 into 3, 3 is going to be 6. So minus into minus that's going to be plus 4 into, so 1 into 1 again 1, minus into minus that's going to be the plus, 2 2 is 4, so plus 5 into, So 1 into 3, that's going to be 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, because 2 into 1, that's going to be the minus 2. So here, so 3 into what? 7 plus 4 into what? 5. So then plus 5 into 1. So that's going to be 3 into 7, that's going to be the 21. Plus, what is the value of 4 into 5? That's going to be the 20. Plus 1 into 5, that's going to be the 5. So 20 plus 21, that's going to be the 41. 41 plus 5, that's going to be the 46. So the required value of the determinant of B, that's going to be the 46. Okay. So ನೀವು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಕಾಲಮ್ 1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಗೇನ್ ನಮಗೆ 46 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ರೋ 3 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ 46 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು. Okay, so the next one is going to be the next problem. So the next one is 0 1 2 minus 1 0 minus 3, so minus 2 3 0 minus 2 3 0 minus 2 3 0. Okay, so ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದು ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 0 ಇದೆ, ಈ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 0 ಇದೆ, ಈ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 0 ಇದೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಈ ರೋಲ್ ಒಂದೇ 0, ಈ ರೋಲ್ ಒಂದೇ 0, ಈ ರೋಲ್ ಒಂದೇ 0. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದು ರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು R1 ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ದರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ರೋ 1, that's going to be R1. So that's going to be, so 0 into ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 0 0 minus 3 3, so 0 minus 3 3 0, so minus 1 into, so minus 1 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 0, so then plus 2 into minus 1 0 minus 2 3, so that's going to be, so 0 into, so this complete determinant is going to the value 0, because 0 into anything is going to be 0. So directly minus 1, so minus 1 into 0, that's going to be what? 0, so again minus, so minus 2 into minus 3, that's going to the plus 6 into minus, that's going to the minus 6, so plus 2 into, what is the value of minus 1 into 3, that's going to the minus 3, so minus into minus, that's going to the plus 2 into 0, that's going to be 0, or you can say that only the minus 3. So here the minus 1 into minus 6, so that's going to be the 2 into minus 3, so that's going to be, so minus 1 into, so minus into minus, that's going to be plus 1 into 6, that's going to be the 6 minus 6. So what is the value of 6 minus 6? That's going to be 0. So ಗಮನ ಕೊಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ 0 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಆಂಟಿ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಪ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತು 0 ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡೋಣ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. Okay, so the next one is 2 minus 1 minus 2, so 0 2 minus 1, so then 3 minus 5 0, 3 minus 5 0. Okay, so here, so expanding to what? Expand ಯಾವುದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ಕಾಲಮ್ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ರೋ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. Maximum number of times you are going to solve through the row 1 itself. So that's going to be expanding through what? Row 1. So just I'm going to solve these things here. So 2 into, so that's going to be the 2 minus 1 minus 5 0. So minus into minus, that's going to be the plus 1. So here plus 1 is nothing but 0 minus 1 3 0 and minus 2 plus into minus, that's going to be the minus. So it's going to be 0 2, so 3 minus 5. So here it's going to be, so 2 into 0, that's going to be the 0. So minus 5 into minus 1, that's going to be the plus 5. So minus 5. Okay, so minus ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ. 2 into 0 0 minus and आगे है so minus 5 into minus 1 that's going to plus 5 into minus 1 that's going to be minus 5 so then plus 1 into so 0 into 0 0 so my 3 into minus 1 that's going to be minus 3 so minus into minus that's going to be plus 3 so here minus 2 into so 0 into minus 5 that's going to be 0 so minus 6 so here is going to be minus 10 plus 3 so plus 12 so minus 10 plus 15 so that's going to be the plus 5 so the required value of the given determinant is going to be 5 so you plus c ಅಂತ mention ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ so the previous problems are ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ determinant ಗೆ ಒಂದು ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ determinant of a ಮತ್ತೆ determinant of b ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ so ನಾನು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ determinant ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಸೊ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಇದು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಫೆಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಾದ್ರೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫೆಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಬಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯು ನೋ so okay, next one is 0 sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha 0 sin beta cos alpha minus sin beta 0 minus sin beta 0 okay so direct solve ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ so 0 so first element ಅನ್ನು completely 0 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 0 into corresponding ಮತ್ತೆ ರೋ corresponding column ಬಿಟ್ರೆ 0 sin beta minus sin beta 0 so 0 into sin square beta ಬರ್ತದೆ sin square beta ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 0 into sin square beta again is going to be 0 so ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ 0 ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ so next one so minus sin alpha ಇದೆ so corresponding row ಮತ್ತೆ corresponding column ಅನ್ನು ನೆಗೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ minus sin alpha ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ sin beta so ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos alpha again is going to be 0 so then minus cos alpha so that's going to be so minus sin alpha 0 cos alpha minus sin beta okay so 0 into minus sin alpha sin alpha into 0 that's going to be 0 so minus sin beta cos alpha can be written as sin beta cos alpha so it's going to be the minus cos alpha into so minus into minus that's going to be plus sin alpha sin beta minus 0 okay so here is going to be so minus sin alpha into minus sin beta sin cos alpha that's going to be the plus sin alpha because minus into minus that's going to be plus sin alpha sin beta cos alpha so ಈ ಮೂರು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಏನು ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ minus n is plus n ಆಗಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ so minus ಏನಾಗಿದೆ sin alpha sin beta cos alpha that's going to be minus sin alpha sin beta and cos alpha so ನೋಡಿ sin alpha sin beta cos alpha cos beta so this one is the plus things and this one is the minus we can easily cancel these things so answer is going to be 0 ನೋಡಿ previous problem ನೋಡಿ diagonal elements ಎಲ್ಲ 0 ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು so answer 0 ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ diagonal elements 0 ಇದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ 0 ಇದೆ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡೋಣ okay last problem is one expanding the determinants so 3 so -1 -2 0 0 minus 1. So 3 minus 5 what? 0. 3 minus 5 0. So ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ, so in which row the maximum number of zeros is going to be present? So in a row 2, so it's containing maximum number of zeros. So we can directly expand through the row 2. ನೀವು ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Expanding row R2 because row 2 contains the maximum number of zeros, so we can expand it through row 2. So that's going to be 0 0 minus 1, so we can expand directly minus 1 and corresponding elements. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ negative sign ಬರ್ತದೆ, positive sign ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಿ. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ, so this comes with the negative sign, so minus sign ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. So minus into minus 1, the corresponding row ಮತ್ತು corresponding column ನ neglect ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. By neglecting the corresponding row as well as the corresponding column, so we are getting 3 minus 1 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 3 minus 1. So here ನೋಡಿ, so minus into minus, that's going to the plus 1. So 1 into, so what is the value of 3 into minus 1? That's going to the minus 15. So minus, so 3 into minus 1, that's going to the minus 3, or we can say that that's going to the plus 3, because minus 3 into minus, that's going to the plus. So minus 15 plus 3, so that's going to be what? Minus 12. So 1 into minus 12, so it's going to be the minus 12. The required determinant of this one is going to be the minus 12. Okay, so that's going to be the answer. So this pause the video to note down. Just pause the video to note down. Okay. Okay, the next one, the next problem. If A is equal to, so 1 1 minus 2, 2 1 minus 3, so 5 4 minus 9. Find determinant of A. Find determinant of A. Find determinant of A. So which is also similar to the previous one. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ರೋ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ ಕಾಲಮ್ನ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವ ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಜೀರೋಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಅಥವಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ there will be no zero is going to be present here. So we can expand through any one of the columns or any one of the rows. So we are familiar with the row 1. So I am going to expand through the row 1. The solution is going to be solution. So expanding through what? Expanding row 1. Expanding through row 1. So it's going to be, so determinant of A. So 1 into 1 minus 3, 4 minus 9, minus 1 into, so it's going to be 2 minus 3, 5 minus 9, minus 2 into 2, 1, 5, 4, 2, 1, 5, 4. So that's going to be, so here 1 into, so 1 into minus 9, that's going to be minus 9. So minus 4 into minus 3 is going to the minus 2. So minus into minus is going to the plus 12. So minus 1. So 2 into minus 9, that's going to the minus 18. So plus 15. So minus 2. So that's going to the 8 minus 5. So here 1 into 3. So minus 1 into minus 3. So minus 2 into 3. So that's going to be 3 plus 3 minus 6. Okay, so 3 plus 3 6 minus 6. So answer is going to be 0. Answer is going to be 0. ಅಂದರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, 0 ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ನಮಗೆ 0 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ.